Hello, I'm going to show you how to create web conferencing or a synchronous web conference session using Canvas. So first, you can see we are on our course home page in the courses tab. If you look down the list down here, there's a link for conferences. Let's go ahead and click the conferences link. Then, as you can see, this is the conference page. First thing about Canvas is that it provides a free service for web conferencing by what's called Big Blue Button. You can use up to 10 concurrent conferences, but any more than that, I believe you'll either have to upgrade, meaning a paid service, or maybe you have the option of switching to another a partner that Canvas has. But for right now, I'm just going to show you how to add a conference. So first, we're going to add the blue conference button. So this is going to add a new conference. And here you just have the name. You can select the type here, duration, and you can do other settings as well as a description. You can enable recording and other things like that. So in order to create this conference, you then would need to click the update button here in the bottom right hand corner. So as you can see in the new conferences, we have our new conference listed. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is press the start button right here in the corner. But first, there's another setting where you can edit the conference or you can delete it. Let's go ahead and click the start button. So this will take you to the web conference page. It'll give you an option to use a microphone, or you could only listen if you'd like. Let's go ahead and just do listen only for now. It may ask you to connect a microphone to Big Blue Button or the Canvas. Allow them to access the microphone, or it'll also, if you want to use a webcam, it'll allow you to use a webcam. Let's close out of that. It doesn't seem like we're able to record and do this at the same time. But here you have access to a chat. You can join audio. You can share a webcam. You can share your screen. You can do a variety of different actions. A poll, upload a presentation, share external video, etc. If you want to end the meeting, you can come here to these buttons here at the top right hand corner, these three dots. You can also do other settings. You can make it full screen. You can select different settings, keyboard shortcuts, etc. You can log out, or for right now, we're just going to end the meeting. And we'll click yes. So then it'll take you back to the home page. Let's go back to the conferences. And here it says that it's in progress, but we'll go ahead and click end once we're finished. And then it'll go into your concluded conferences folder. And once there, you can go ahead and select delete, whatever you need.